Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power the phone down and eject the SIM tray so internal circuits stay idle. Once done, heat the frame to about 60-80 degrees for 60 to 90 seconds to soften adhesive. That prevents cracking when you separate parts. Attach a suction cup near the edge and lift gently, then slide a thin pick into the gap. Make sure to keep your fingers off the active display surface. Use tools, because pressure or oils can damage pixel layers and sensors. Once the screen is ajar, hinge it like a book toward the back case and secure it. This gives access without touching the front glass. First, disconnect the battery connector to remove power, then carefully unplug display and sensor cables in the sequence they appear. This protects flex cables and logic board connectors. Use ESD-safe pry tools and keep screws on a magnetic mat labeled by position. Doing so preserves orientation and avoids short circuits while you swap the panel. Install the replacement screen by aligning and seating each connector firmly. Press flat until it clicks, then reconnect the battery last so you can test without risk. Once power and function are confirmed, apply new adhesive strips around the frame and press the display edges evenly for about 60 seconds to ensure a full seal. If the touchscreen or sensors don't work, make sure to reseat connectors, inspect for debris or bent pins, and retest. Small misalignments are...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.